What's going on, guys? Decelation and Brian.
What's up, peeps?
So, today, what are we doing, Brian?
Looks like we're laying a little carpet.
Yeah, buddy. We're finally getting to the carpet stage, which means we're almost done with this interior. So, yeah, you guys gonna see us do carpet, and if it goes quick enough, we'll get in the seat belts and the drill holes for the seat brackets, and we're gonna leave the dash off because I just realized when we put in the windshield wiper system, we're gonna need the dash off anyways, so we just might as well leave that off. The windshield wipers are kind of important. We do live in Florida, so it does rain a lot here. But yeah. All right, well, we're gonna get started.
See you in a time lapse.
What's going on, guys? Brian?
What's going on, peeps?
So, how fun was that?
On the grand scale of fun relating to this thing, that was probably like in the high sevens.
Yeah.
It wasn't too bad.
I'd say that, yeah.
We weren't swearing at anything. We didn't throw anything. We
That is
didn't
true.
get hurt. We didn't break anything. Yeah, it's probably in the high sevens.
Yeah, not gonna lie. That's actually a good analogy there, buddy. You know, you guys kind of saw it, but time for the reveal. Man, that made me very, very happy. It is fully carpeted, and I'm really glad I made Brian do the transcell and carbon fiber because that contrast with everything and the way it's going to look on the dashboard, oh my goodness, it's going to be beautiful. And show you what I managed to get the e-brake trimmed perfectly around the carpet. That was kind of fun. That probably took me more time than a lot of the other stuff, but yeah, got the carpet tucked under the trim. But man, that looks really good. I'm pretty stoked with that. We kind of ran out of time, so we're not going to get the seat belts in or the seats. We'll probably do that next video. Shouldn't take too long. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked. Brian.
It's almost time.
It is almost time. It's coming along very, very nicely. So, yeah.
So I think, next episode, you're probably going to see us screaming at the windshield wiper install kit. Because we got to do that, and then we'll slap the dashboard on, and somebody's got to get the car registered.
We got to put the glass on, too.
Oh, get the glass on.
And get the seats back in, get the seat belts in. Power windows.
I got some power window for you.
No.
It's right there.
No, we're not doing that. But all right.
Bet you that bonds the carbon fiber perfectly.
No. All right, thank you guys for watching. If you like this type of content, hit that subscribe button. We're continue working on this always, and we're gonna get that going further too. So I don't know, you can kind of see it. Yeah, there it is. That one over there. We're gonna get that Mustang going too once we finish this truck. Both of us, I know someone has pointed it out that I've been kind of leaving Brian to his own devices on that car, but that's his zen. He's at the point.
It's therapy.
It's the point where he's just cutting and ripping stuff off. So stress relief. But yes, our plan is to both be tackling that next.
The reason we have the C2A videos, we're getting a welding machine. So because I'm a couple panels away from having to weld struts across the body to keep it from shifting when I cut the rest of it out. Because there's enough of the floor left in the front that's keeping the body kind of spaced apart. If I cut all that out without any braces, the body's going to twist and my body lines will never line up again, and it'll just be a disaster. So once we get that in next week, and we figure out how to weld without killing ourselves, we will be progressing on with that one some further. So,
yep.
But we're gonna finish this. We're gonna keep trucking along, finishing this guy up, and then we'll, as I learn to weld and we figure it out, then we'll move over to that one when this is registered and I actually get to drive it back it out of the garage and not push it.
Right. But yes, thank you guys for watching. You guys have a good one. Peace.
Take it easy, peeps.